UnitedHealthcare offers a variety of health insurance plans, including HMOs, PPOs, and POS plans. Each type of plan has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that's right for you. Here is a brief overview of the different types of UnitedHealthcare health insurance plans. HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. UnitedHealthcare HMO plans require you to choose a primary care doctor, PCP, who will coordinate your care. You must get a referral from your PCP to see a specialist. UnitedHealthcare HMO plans typically have lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs than other types of plans, but they may have more restrictions on your choice of providers. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. UnitedHealthcare PPO plans give you more flexibility in choosing providers. You can see any doctor or specialist you want, but you will pay less if you see providers who are in your plan's network. UnitedHealthcare PPO plans typically have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs than HMOs, but they offer more freedom of choice. POS, Point of Service. UnitedHealthcare POS plans are a hybrid of HMOs and PPOs. You must choose a PCP, but you can see specialists without a referral. You will pay less if you see providers who are in your plan's network, but you can still see out-of-network providers if you need to. UnitedHealthcare POS plans typically have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs than HMOs, but they offer more flexibility than HMOs. UnitedHealthcare health insurance policy details. Premiums. UnitedHealthcare premiums vary depending on the type of plan, the company you choose, and your age and health status. You can get a quote for UnitedHealthcare health insurance on the UnitedHealthcare website. Deductible. UnitedHealthcare deductibles vary depending on the plan you choose. Deductibles can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Out-of-pocket costs. UnitedHealthcare out-of-pocket costs vary depending on the plan you choose and the type of care you receive. Out-of-pocket costs can include the deductible, copays, and coinsurance. Network. UnitedHealthcare has a large network of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers. You can find a list of UnitedHealthcare network providers on the UnitedHealthcare website. Coverage. UnitedHealthcare health insurance plans cover a variety of services, including preventive care, prescription drugs, and mental health care. You can see a list of covered services in your plan's Summary of Benefits and Coverage (SBC) document.